Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Snowball Kilecheh. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the Snowball Kilecheh. For the first part, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of crushed walnuts, half a cup of icing sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. For the second part, you will need 185 grams of pressed dates or baking dates, 2 tablespoons of butter, and half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. And this is how your Snowball Kilecheh should look like. Serve it for Christmas or for Easter, but hey, serve it any time of the year and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!